Hello viewers, this is Abu Kalam and in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube video subtitle using it's absolutely free. So if you are new viewers in this channel, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. This is easy work, so you need to only 1 minute just copy which video subtitle you want to download. So I copy a YouTube link from my YouTube story. So if you want to download this video English to Hindi, Hindi to Bangla, Bangla to China, at least 100 plus language this website are supported. This is a really good and amazing website I found. So at first I copy a YouTube link, then download. Just click here, download. Then you are able to download this video into SRT format, then TXT format. This English auto generate. Then you, if you want to download this video other language, example of Oromo, Irish, again Arabic, then Albanian, then English, Igbo, Italian, Bangla, European, Uttaranchalo, Soto, then Urdu. Lots of language are supported in this website. This link I will attach in description below. Then click here. Then you are redirected to this website. So I want to download this video English. So you can see this is my video. Then I want to download the TXT format. Just click here TXT format. You can see my video downloaded. Hey guys, today we are going to see how you can remove your change your video. Wow, I'm really shocked about this website. So if you want to more video about this type chat GPT, make money online, how to make money online, then how to use AI. Please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video.